So yeah, don't don't fail, Sniv. Because failing Sniv is embarrassing. And try not to fail Bolden either. Because what Fear has the world record. I think he's got a it's definitely a sub 1 Bolden. Which is a little crazy for my skill level. Okay, that was okay. That's a fast load.
Kitchen.
There's no such thing as a fast load in this game. It's more of it's just a standard load, and that was bit. Come on.
Such a good little boy. Gonna have a cat over for the night. I has cow. Jeez, I almost fell through.
There we go. Yeah. So I think Fear has a 55 Bolden, but I'm not entirely sure. Right. Eranos 2 optimally is easily the longest planet in the run. Hang on, let me see if I can get it again. Yes, I did. There you go. I can actually issue the command correctly. Okay. Take the first person mode section carefully because I have failed it so many times and it crushes my soul when I miss it. Because it's meant to be easy and it's like, oh, how did you not make contact and drop the climb? Ow. Okay. That's alright. Oh god, don't do that.
Get on, boys! Bite! Bite that bitch! Just like the teeth on these things are just nasty.
All right. Good Ratchet section, please. So I go back that way to stop the enemies spawning. Then I grab the turret. Go to L1. Throw a turret, hopefully in the right place. Oh, come on. Come on.
Oh yeah, I have finally managed to get a new exhaust fan.
Oh, nice.
So the one I had before, I got from a friend and was like, oh yeah, it was working. Then it just turns out that it was also burnt out.
Oh, come on.
Crap.
I hate this clip so much.
Whoa! No. Oh, frick.
We good. Okay. Yeah! Okay, that's good. First person mode up here, turn first mode off. And up here. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's alright. Okay. Fire the nuke and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't try to skip the cutscene.
Your bagpipes.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my tea.
Right. Lovingly called the Chad pipes.
Are you still talking to your friend?
Oh, he's just gone for a second, but I'm doing a run, so...
Can you help with Minecraft?
Can you give me, like, can you give me a few minutes more?
And how long do you think you're gonna be? Can you not pause?
No.
You did.
Yeah, so I can do it again.
Is your friend still there though?
Yeah. He just gone for a second.
Oh, you got PS5?
Yeah.
How many what have you got? Xbox 360? And what else? What can you play on your Xbox 360?
I've got one game for it.
What is it?
One of the Skylanders games. Because it's one of those, because it's the most optimal version.
How do you craft tools in Minecraft?
All right, and I'm back. I just put the tea. I put the tea on the back on the stove to make sure that it's nice and hot.
Alright, yeah. I mean, that kind of depends on what the item is. Come on.
I'm trying to make a sword so I can slay my brother.
Hang on. I'll finish this and then I'll come out. Okay, we're almost...
Can you get killed there?
Not really. Okay, good.
Okay, let's see.
No embarrassing bonk.
No bonk.
Can you come help me?
No. I've still got 2 planets to go.
How long is that?
5 or 6 minutes, maybe.
So have you completed that planet?
Yeah.
So you got 1 planet there.
No, 2.
Then you got Earth.
Okay. Groban is like the easiest planet. That or Bolden. People hate Groban, but in the speedrun, Groban's really easy. Oh, come on. I can't be bothered. Just... Oh, come on. Okay, I can take that. Okay, Guido, please be nice. Or nicer. Out of bounds. How am I not dead? This is just so... I mean, Rinchy size our thing, yes. Okay, there we go, we good. Here. Here. Oh, what the hell was that? Why did I not have my turrets out? You're bored. You suck, game.
Oh, there goes the timer.
Alright. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, we good. We good.